Welcome to the Waltz tutorial for the Starfall Ball. My name is Sabrina Thievin, and I will be your dance mistress and MC at the ball. This video is designed to give you a brief overview of some of the material that we may be covering at the ball lesson before the dance. The waltz box is the first step that we will learn. Those in the leading position will be starting with their left foot. The left hand will be clasping their partner's hand. The right hand will be under their partner's shoulder blade. We'll be starting with the left foot going forward, forward, apart, together, back, apart, together. So left, right, together, right, left, together. Left foot forward, 2, 3, right foot back, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the leader's part. The followers will be beginning with their right foot. I will be putting my right hand up because that is the hand that is being clasped. Their left hand will be on the shoulder of their partner, and you will be lined up right eye to right eye with your partner. So the leader will be looking over this shoulder, follower will be looking over that shoulder. Follower will be starting with the right foot, going back to begin. So the box step is back on the right, apart, together, forward on the left, apart, together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, apart, together, left foot forward, apart, together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. That is the box step. That box can be stationary as demonstrated, or it can be rotating. When we are doing the box as I have taught you, and you begin to rotate it, we will be doing a left rotation. So whenever the left foot is forward, we are turning left. Whenever the right foot is back, we are also turning left. So from the leader's perspective, left hand up, left foot ready to start. We'll do a stationary box first. Forward, side, together, back. Then to rotate, we rotate on the forward step, continue rotating on the side step, close the feet. And then we can just simply go back, side together to finish the box. Or we can continue the rotation by going forward on the left side together, and then as we go back on the right, we start to turn, left shoulder goes back, side together, and we can continue that. Left foot forward, side together, right foot back, side together. So once again, stationary box, left foot forward, side together, right foot back, side, together, left foot forward, turning, side, together, right foot back, turning, side, together. So the left shoulder is always going back, regardless of forward and back on which foot. And we can finish with a regular box. That is the leader's part. Now I will show you the turning box from the follower's perspective. The followers will begin with their right foot, right hand clasped, left hand on the shoulder. We are lined up right eye to right eye again, so the leader is looking over the right shoulder, followers looking over the partner's right shoulder. We are going back on the right foot, 1, 2, 3. This is a stationary box, 4, 5, 6. Then we are going to start to turn. Turning, side, together, left foot forward and turn, side, together. Right foot back and turn, side, together, left foot forward and turn, side, together. And then stationary box again, with no pause in between, however. So that is the follower's part to the box, turning box step. Next, we will do the progressive basic, or sometimes just referred to as basic or progressive. The leader's parts, this will be starting with the left foot and clasping the left hand again, and this will be a traveling step. So our normal box would be a left foot forward, side together, right foot back, side together. Then we are going to transition into the basic, which is left foot forward again, but we keep our weight forward and continue this time with the right foot going forward, side together. Left side together, right foot forward, side together. And then if you're going to do a box, it'll be left foot forward and right foot back. And that would be our leader's perspective. Now, if we are the follower, I'm going to start a little farther away from you. We will be backing up and giving you the rear view so it is easier for you to see and practice at home. So for the followers, again, right hand, right foot. We are going to be going back on the right foot to start. We'll do a box again to begin. Back, side, together, forward, side, together. Now we're going to go back, side, together once again, but this time keeping our weight hanging, going backwards. We're going to now go back on our left for the 4, 5, 6. Right foot 1, 2, 3. Left foot 4, 5, 6. And to transition to a box, we'll be back on the right side together, forward on the left side together. And that would be our progressive basic. Now, we may not have time to do this next step at the ball lessons. However, you are welcome to ask me if I am on the dance floor or near the dance floor if I could help you with this. This would be the underarm turn. The underarm turn is a great thing to do at any corner in the room because it is a quarter turn for the leader and a 3/4 turn for the follower. Again, this is just a brief tutorial. This is not designed to substitute for actual instruction, but this will help you perhaps have a little bit more adventurous fun on the dance floor at the Starfall Ball. So for the leaders will start with a box step, going forward on the left foot, 1, 2, 3. Now, they will still do the 4, 5, 6, but they will go, as they go back on the right foot, the left hand will go up. They finish their box, and then forward on the left foot to face their partner, and then finish the box going back. So I'll do that again. So the left foot is going forward in a regular box. The right foot is going back as the left arm goes up. The left foot goes forward and starts to turn side together, and then finish your box. So that is the leader's part for the outside underarm turn or box underarm turn. For the follower's part, again, starting with our right hand. Now, this time I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to do it facing the camera, so just mirroring what the leader's part did, so you can see how it fits in with the rest of the pattern. So we're going to go back, side, together, forward. The leader has lifted the arm. Instead of a side together, the follower is going to do 2 walks on 5, 6. Then going to continue walking on 1, forward. So we've now completed 3/4 of our turn. We're going to go side together, and then we're going to go forward on our left and finish our box. So we have gone under the arm, a 3/4 turn to face our leader, who has done a 1/4 turn. 3/4 plus a 1/4 equals a whole. So again, from the follower's perspective, we're going back on the right side together, forward on the left, walking under right, walking under left, forward right, 2, 3, side together, 4, 5, 6. So you'll see that we've accomplished a 1/4 turn and ended up back together with our partner. The waltz. First, we're going to have a box step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a turning box to the left. 5. Together, turning, still turning left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do a box. And then a progressive basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a box. 2, 3. We're going to turn on the back half. So we can start on the forward or the back half. Now we can progress the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So we're moving around the room in a counterclockwise fashion. We can also do the underarm turn at a corner, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, forward, side, together. Finish your box. You can use that at a corner anytime to get around the waltz. We're going to start with the box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, box, 1. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, box. Underarm turn. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, box. Basic, box, underarm turn. 4, 5, 6. There's a bonus step that you can use in both the slow waltz, and there will also be some faster waltz being played at the Starfall Ball. This is called a balance step. Balance steps can be done, this is from the leader's perspective, so left hand holding, left foot leading. We can be going balancing forward, forward, hold, hold, so there's no weight transfer, just a little bit of pressure. Back on the right, hold, hold, again, no weight transfer, just a little bit of pressure. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These balance steps may also be done side to side. So left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm pushing to the side and pushing to the side. Once again, no weight transfers happens. 1, there's a little bit of pressure on the floor, but I'm still standing on my left foot. Push, a little bit of pressure to the floor, still standing on my right foot. So that can be done slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've demonstrated in sets of 2s, but they can be done in sets of 4s or more. Now, for the followers, very simple, you're doing the exact same thing, only you're starting with the right foot for this. So, right hand being clasped, on the shoulder with the left, right foot getting ready to dance. So we are going to start with the back part. So right foot back, left foot forward. Right foot back, left foot forward. And again, we can also go side to side. Push to the right, push to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The speed or tempo at which we do that with will just depend on how fast our music is. So you will have the opportunities to do them both in a slow waltz and a faster, close to Viennese tempo.